Hi everyone, so this week's problem says Jessica has a rectangular 15 by 16 piece of gingerbread dough. She wants to create a gingerbread man from this piece of dough. She knows that the body should be a trapezoid with bases 7 and 9 and a height of 6. She also knows that the arms will be a 7 by 2 rectangle and will be the same size as the legs. Lastly, she knows that the feet will be a 2 by 4 rectangle. She would like to make the head in the shape of a circle. If she ends up using all the gingerbread dough, what is the radius of the gingerbread man's head? So for this problem we have, so she initially has a 15 by 16. And so this totals to 15 times 16 equals 240 square inches of dough. So for the body, she has a trapezoid. The bases are 7 and 9, and the height is 6. So the area of a trapezoid is basically the average of the bases multiplied by the height. And the average of the bases is 7 plus 9 over 2, and the height is 6. And this is equal to 48 square inches. Next, we have each arm and each leg is a 7 by 2 rectangle. And the area of each 7 by 2 rectangle is 14 square inches. And since we have 2 arms and 2 legs, that's 4 of these rectangular pieces in total. And this is equal to a total of 56 square inches. Now, lastly, we have the feet. The feet are each a 2 by 4 rectangle. The area of each foot is 4 times 2, which is 8 square inches. And since there are 2 feet, we have 2 times 8 square inches, and that's equal to 16 square inches. Now, so for the body plus the arms plus the legs plus the feet, this totals to 48 plus 56 plus 16 is equal to 120 square inches. So now she uses the rest of the dough to create a head. And the head has an area of 240 square inches, so minus 120 square inches, and this is equal to 120 square inches. Okay, so the area of the head is, so the head's a circle, and say if the radius is one second. Okay, so continuing, if the head is a circle, so if the radius of the head is r, then the area of the circle is pi r squared, and this is equal to 120. And solving for r, we get r squared is 120 over pi, so r is equal to the square root of 120 over pi, which is our answer.